Hi everybody and welcome back to our discussion today, especially MBA, Master of Business Administration. Especially today we will focus about the MBA Pharmaceutical Management. Especially that interesting area is pharmaceutical management. The 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 best institutes like NIPER, they are offering the MBA Pharmaceutical Management. Especially I was talking about today is what are the syllabus in the 2 years of MBA course in pharmaceutical management. What are the content you can discuss today? You can see that National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, NIPER, Hyderabad, the one of the best institute, they offering the MBA Pharmaceutical Management, and we will talk about the syllabus. Okay, what are the syllabus? Total the 4 semesters, and what are the contents are in available in that pharmaceutical management. You can see, and I like these options. You can see here this learn chemistry and thick chemistry and practice chemistry. You can see here. You can see the next one. This is the my education qualification, and myself is Alawat Ramesh. Okay, you can see that next one. See, NIPER Hyderabad, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. NIPER Hyderabad, one of the best education institution, especially in MBA in pharmaceutical management. You can see that well-known atmosphere and campus life is very nice, and there are well-known facilities and faculties, libraries and lab equipments. So this is the one of the reason most of the people they are choosing the NIPER Hyderabad, especially in MBA pharmaceutical management. Okay, you can see now what are the syllabus. MBA in pharmaceutical management, what is the syllabus? You can see here slide by slide. You can see the first one. You can see the MBA Pharmaceutical Management NIPER. They are offering the 2 years course, but totally the 4 semesters. You can see the first one semester. What are the total 9 papers you need to attend that first semester. So first semester, first one paper is the fundamental of management, and second one paper is the accounting for management, and third one is the managerial economics, and fourth one is the pharmaceutical marketing, and fifth one paper is the quantitative techniques and management techniques, and sixth one paper is the information technology IMIS, and you can see the seventh one paper is the human behavior in organization, and eighth one is IPR, intellectual property rights in pharmaceutical management, and ninth one is the seminar. This is the first semester content and first semester papers. Total the 9 papers you need to attempt that. Okay, this is the one. Last one is the seminar. You can look for the second one semester. Second one semester total 9 papers you need to attempt. So total that 8 are the writing, and remaining 9th one is the seminar. You can see the second semester first one paper, like first one pharmaceutical business environment, and second one is the financial management, and third one is the marketing research, and fourth one material and operation management, and fifth one is the business communication, and sixth one human resource management, and seventh one supply chain management in pharmaceutical sectors, and eighth one topics relevant to drugs and pharmaceutical industry, and ninth one is the seminar. This is the second semester complete content of the MBA in pharmaceutical science. And next we will go further the third one semester. What is the third one semester content? The first one paper is the project management, and second one entrepreneurial development, and third one is the national regulatory environment, and fourth one international marketing. How you will do the international marketing, you will learn from this subject, and fifth one is the sales management and sales promotion. So how you will sell these things, you will learn from this subject. And sixth one is the industrial and service marketing. This is also very important topic, especially in the marketing field. And seventh one is the contemporary issues in pharmaceutical marketing. You can see that n number of issues we will be coming in the nowadays in marketing. So these issues, how you will manage, what are the skills you need to develop, those things we will learn from the seventh one topics. And eighth one is the fundamental of research and development management 1. This is the third semester, total 8 papers you need to attempt. Okay, you can go for the fourth one semester, that is the last one semester for MBA in pharmaceutical science. You can see the first one, management control system, and second one, international regulatory environment, and third one is the pharmaceutical product management, how to manage the product. These skills you will develop from third one. And fourth one is the pharmaceutical brand management, and fifth one, consumer behaviors, and sixth one, advertising in pharmaceutical sectors, and seventh one is the fundamental of research and development management. Third, these are the 4 semester, especially in NIPER Hyderabad MBA pharmaceutical science they are offering. This is the one of the best course, and also is the best institute in especially in pharmaceutical. Nowadays you can see that during the COVID situation, how the pharma companies they are running. Running of pharma companies is not a simple task. You need to develop a lot of skills, management skills and customer skills and various information marketing, production, and these etc. What we will talk about, these 3-4 semester topics we need to develop. So if we have future plan to establish any entrepreneurs or the establish to some new company, especially I can choose you, I can recommend you better to go join the MBA in pharmaceutical science, especially in NIPER. You will helpful to your marketing, helpful your to business to enhancement, your business enhancement. Okay, you can see that next one, some recommended books. I was mentioned here some 11 recommended books. You can see the first one, Pharmaceutical Marketing by Subbarao. This is also very nice book for especially in pharmaceutical marketing. And second one, Pharmaceutical Marketing by, this books also is very nice. And second one, Pharmaceutical Marketing by Smith. And fourth one book is a Marketing Management, a South Asia Perspective by Kothar. And fifth one book is the Marketing Management, Planning, Implementation and Control by the Ramaswamy Namakumari. And the sixth one is the Marketing Management and Administrative Action, Tata McGraw-Hill. And seventh one, Law Related to Intellectual Property by B.L. Vadhira. And eighth one is the IPR Handbook for Pharma Student and Research. This book is very nice. Especially I like this book. Intellectual Property Rights Handbook for the Pharma Student and Researcher by the P. Bansal. And you can see the ninth one, the Patent Act 1970 Bayer Act with the short notes by the New Delhi Universal Law Publication Company. They are this one. And 10th one is the Human Resource Management by Aswantapa. And 11th one, Business Communication, Building a Critical Skills. These books also, it is very effective to MBA Pharmaceutical Management Science. Okay. These are the 11 books specially I recommended for the MBA students. You can choose this textbook. You can available in library and even online also. It is very helpful to enhancement of your skills and for marketing and business. And most of the people, they don't know, they are thinking NIPER Hyderabad only they are offering MBA Pharmaceutical Science, but not only for NIPER, the Hyderabad another one research institute also they are offering Ishwani Institute of System Management. This is also offering the pharma management, healthcare management, agribusiness management. These managements are offering in this institute. So in case if you are not getting seat in the NIPER Hyderabad, you can choose this institute also, very good and alone campus placement. This institute is under the Osmania University, and they are offering 3 agribusiness, healthcare management and pharma management and marketing, finance and business analytical, these are things. So especially this campus is Samirpet Road in the Hakimpet in Hyderabad. Here is given the address. You can approach from here and you can join here also. This is one of the nice institute for especially in MBA postgraduate diploma in pharmaceutical management. And you can, and especially thanks for your great patience and for spending your time for watching my YouTube. And really if you like my YouTube channel, if you really like my channel, to like, share and comment. But especially I request to everyone, don't miss to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more updates, and you can get a notification. If you subscribe, that more update you will get the notification, and we will meet you soon again next YouTube channel and next class. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you. Have a nice day.